Hey guys, it's your girl Simply China. Today I am back with an unboxing video. I'm super excited. It's literally 11 o'clock at night and I'm gonna basically skip to the full story of this video. So I got the iPhone 11 Pro 256 gig. This is how it looks in the packaging. Isn't it a beauty? I'm just in love with the new packaging. It's really quite nice, and I'm just looking at all the information. So that's the phone. I'm also going to be, this is in silver, I'm going to do a separate video of me reviewing the new iPhone color, which is the green one in the Pro Max as well. So stay tuned for that video later on. But first we're just going to take off this seal. And I just love this part, the new, there's that. And for the moment of truth, yes, oh my god, isn't she a beauty? Guys, come on, like, look at that, she's beautiful. The one thing that I like with this new finish, it's not, so I have the regular iPhone Max, so this is the 10, and you see the difference in the back. I have the gold from the silver, so this is the comparison of the phones. I want to say this is slightly bigger, the new 11, but I think it's only because of the camera, so the phone kind of looks slightly bigger, just wider. And then it's very subtle, the Apple sign. So, you guys see that? Whereas here, it's obviously different. And also, this is, to me, further down. I'm just gonna take this off. That actually might be the sticker. So this is the screen. I'm just actually gonna leave this on. Sorry, you guys. I'm gonna leave this screen sticker on because there's no screen protector at all. Yeah, so this is definitely how the back is. It's just like a matte finish. I really like it. I'm gonna grab my case. I have my own case line, you guys, so definitely I'll put the link for that down below, and I have a lot of iPhone 11 Max cases, so I'm gonna go grab my case and be right back. Okay guys, so this is the case from my case line. It's a rose case. You guys can check that out. Definitely make sure you check out my case line. It's Savvy C Tech on Instagram, and definitely check out my case line. Great cases for affordable pricing. So I'm just gonna put this bad boy on here, just because I'm super paranoid. And like I said, I'm gonna keep this little plastic on for right now until I get a screen protector set up. Oh, see, this is exactly why I put a case on. But doesn't it? It looks so nice. Oh my gosh, love it. Later on, I'll be showing you guys my I guess my other like cases, but I'll do that in a separate video. So I just turned on the phone, but while that loads up, I'm just gonna show you what comes in the box other than the phone. And obviously we get typical regular USB-C headphones with wire. I've been waiting, you guys, for Apple to give us wireless headphones. I don't know if that day will ever come, but I'm hoping that one day eventually Apple will spare us and give us wireless headphones. And now, the moment that everybody was raving about with the new battery life, there is now USB-C charging. And this is the USB charging block. This is a lot bigger than the regular cube that we're used to. And you see here, this is the USB-C cable. And you just plug it in from the regular cable that we are accustomed to having. So yeah, it's really awesome. gonna just set this up. I already backed up my phone earlier. I made sure to do that. So that's basically what it comes out to look like. It's gonna ask me for all my credentials. Just gonna put the region that I'm in. It's gonna go to quick start, which I'm gonna do, and boom, instantly that pops up. So you can actually sync your phones right away. So this is a great feature. You're just gonna press continue. You press continue like that, and then boom. Now what you do is you put the camera over this guy and align it, and there you go. And then now I just put in my passcode that I want, and I set it up. Now this may or may not take some time depending on how much information you have on your phones. I have a lot of content. I do a lot of video editing on my phone, so therefore this may take at least 10 to 15 minutes just to kind of set up. So I'm gonna set this up and then I'll come right back to you guys. Okay, now I'm doing face recognition, so I'm back. I'm just gonna tilt my head all over. Just so you can get all types of angles, just like that. Now I'm transferring everything from the phone. So give it a few minutes and then I'll be back to show you guys what happens. So this is the terms in the agreement. Just agree to that. And it's gonna set up my Apple ID. So I am back. This is the next morning. I kinda sorta got my pop socket on here, so I wanted to show you guys the setup of the phone. I basically set up everything after what I showed you guys with the Face ID and everything like that. So this is the walkthrough. Like, it's gonna give me like a tutorial on how to utilize Siri. My camera will focus. There we go. So this is kind of just a walkthrough on how to use Siri. When you set up your new phone for the first time, there's a lot of tutorials that come up on how you can use Siri, how you can use all the new functions. Like, these are streamlining your routine, so I can create a gallery of things that I like to do, and also I can watch things later. It says, hey Siri, add beat to what's up next. Ask Siri about Siri. I don't know if my hey Siri. Okay, so she works perfectly fine. I probably like to customize my Siri, so I'll do that at a later date on how I get that kind of going and how I update my Siri. This is kind of how I have my phone now.
Apple.com should be able to answer that question and more.
Sorry about that, you guys. My laptop is open, so that was my laptop Siri. Thank you. So normally this is my routine. I have a lot of apps. So I don't even want to show you guys. I have a lot of apps. Like, it keeps going. And I have subfolders in certain pages. So I have to actually go through and sort out my iPhone and figure out what I want to keep. I will have a video if you guys are interested in how I clean up my devices. Definitely comment that down below, because I, for one, I'm a great example on how you can clean up your devices and the different tips and tricks that I do to get that kind of going. So this is the phone. Like I said, you can get this case on my case line site, Savvy Seed Technology, and look at my cute little pop socket. If you're interested, all my tech accessories will be on my tech shop, Savvy Seed Tech, so definitely go check that out. Currently right now, I'm just really in love with the camera quality. I'll show you guys really quick. I ended up going to the Apple store like I said I would, and basically I'm gonna do another video of me giving you guys a tour of the Apple store. Yeah, so I went back to the Apple store, and I'm gonna give you guys a separate video of me going to the Apple store on 5th Avenue. I'm not gonna incorporate it in this one because it's like a lot going on, but I'm gonna show you guys all the nice little features. It's gonna be a short video because well, not that short, because remember I did say, and I mentioned that the night before, I did try to go to the Apple store on Friday for the launching, and it was just sick. You'll see clips of that. I won't insert anything in this video like I mentioned, but you'll see it in the next video on the Apple store 5th Avenue rebranding, and it was just insane. So the editing for this, if I can show you guys really quickly, is really nice. I took this photo, right? I took it at the Apple store, and so I want to show you guys some of the features. So you can auto edit this, and when you deselect, right, and then you can also contrast, make it brighter, make it darker, whatever you want. These are other additional features. I like this one because you can kind of tone it down a bit. Try to get you closer. It's just really nice. Yeah, it's just really up there, especially
Yoga, good Pilates, body, shawty, yeah. I can spot your curves when I'm